Hello Stage 1. Today in Life Skills we're going to talk about purifying water. Now in South Africa we're quite lucky and our water is fairly clean when it comes out of the tap. But some of the places in the world aren't so lucky and they have to drink bottled water. So let's look at some of the ways we might be able to filter our water to make it safe to drink. Many of us are lucky to have some kind of water purifying thing like this in our house, although it's not really necessary in South Africa. This one's really cool because it makes the water cold, and there's the filter that they use to make the water go in. Another way to make our water clean to drink, and sorry if you hear the noisy kettle, is by boiling it. That makes it safe for us to drink. But luckily our water isn't very dirty. In the next video, you're going to see how you might be able to purify water if you are somewhere that doesn't have clean water or you are forced to drink river water. See, that water's boiling now, just about ready, and it's as clean can be.
Hot day, I'd love a drink. Ooh, it's too dirty. I can't drink that. This water's got lots of mud in it, and it might have harmful bugs hiding in it too. We'd have to boil it before we could drink it. But you can make dirty water like this look much cleaner, even if you can't get all the bugs out. The way to get dirt out is to filter it. I'll show you an easy way to make a filter that works. First, I put a small hole in the bottom of a plastic container. That's about right. Then I put in a few scoops of coarse gravel and about the same amount of sand. Then I put the container over the cup and pour in the water. I have to do this a few times. I'm getting there.
The filter works because the dirt in the water gets stuck in the layers of sand and gravel. Each time the water goes through, more and more of the finer particles get trapped, until
clean as a whistle.
Now you know what to do if you are camping or in a place that doesn't have fresh, clean running water. That would be the best way to filter. The water doesn't look quite as clean, but it does take away a lot of the impurities and gross things that we don't want to drink out of it. One final way we can look at cleaning our water is by boiling it on the stove if you are not lucky enough to have a kettle. That's another way that works very well. And there are various filtered things that we can be used. Can you tell me some ways that you think, or can you do some research with your family and find out ways in which you can filter your water?